heart of the desert, where sand meets the sea, rises a city built on dreams, Abu Dhabi, a place where tradition and modern art walk hand in hand, from lights cascading from the ceiling like stars, to castles that whisper stories of time, from the calm waters where boats drift in silence, to the temple where peace feels alive, every corner here tells a different story. This is my journey through the soul of Abu Dhabi.
So friends, we are in Abu Dhabi at this Grand Palace. यहाँ पर आपको गेट के बाहर बस उतारे, सिक्योरिटी चेक के बाद you come inside, but they have their own buses. It's too hot, scorching heat out here. So I'll show you this.
You will see another dimension of the universe, like simple and all of sudden outside. And I'll take
beautiful place. One must visit the place. It's extraordinary thing. You can say miss करने वाली नहीं है ये जगह. Must visit. If you come to Abu Dhabi, you must visit this place. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. I'm in Qasr Al Watan Palace, and the architecture done over here is beautifully done. It's incredible. It gives you a kind of a Turkish art which you normally found in every mosque, and this is a palace, I think, which is without a pillar, and there is no words to express that how beautifully it is being done. Incredible job done. Very beautiful.
कैसा लगा आपको ये?
बहुत खूबसूरत है. हम हैं पौंडीचेरी से. मोहम्मद इस्माइल, लूसी ट्रैवल सॉल्यूशंस ग्रुप ट्रैवल ऑपरेटर है. यहाँ ये अपना पैलेस कसर अल वतन में अभी आए हुए हैं. इसमें है ना देखने का चीज़ है हर एक. कुछ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस जैसा है. fully crafted in gold most of the places and beautiful carpeting designs, so it is very worth to seeing this. So try, come and look at this once in your lifetime.
आइए बॉस, चलें?
the architecture which is there. The stones have been imported from India, and there's no steel which has been used. And the best part which I felt is the cleanliness and the fairy tale show, especially where the message they give that creation is universe and so is the creator. I feel that in times today where the environment is such, we all need to promote this message of universality, that we are all human beings. And after visiting this temple, I surely will endeavor to be an ambassador of harmony, and more than that, a volunteer of harmony. Thank you so much.
जो एंग्री वाला है, तो ये दो हम में है, अच्छा वाला और बुरा वाला. हम कई बार एंगर भी हो जाते हैं, हम कई बार शांत भी हो जाते हैं. तो ये दोनों जैसे कि वो पूछ रहा है लड़का उसको, ये दोनों हमेशा लड़ते हैं हमारे अंदर. क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये जो लड़ेंगे तो इनमें से जीतेगा कौन. तो वो जो ग्रैंडफादर है वो उसको सिखा रहे हैं विच यू फीड इन योर लाइफ. You feed good things, then you become a good person. When and you feed the bad things, then you become a bad person.
This is Pramukh Sabhagiraha, where Swamiji is going to address everyone out there.
Hi friends, we are at Team Labs Abu Dhabi. This is a mesmerizing place. It's a wonderland, a place, a must visit place.
This is another experience which is amazing. Like, feels like you're on a different planet. Flying in the sky. वो सब काम कर रहे थे. No, sweet varieties. Not just this, pani puri. And see, Jain food. Open kitchen. Friends, the food is marvelous. You will love it. Taste it great, and so do the service. I'll recommend the restaurant.
Hello everyone, I'm here to attend a Thai convention happening in Abu Dhabi, and I have visited for a lunch in the Indian restaurant Lal Killa. I must say the food is awesome. Every non-vegetarian or vegetarian people, they would like the food over here. And the best part is that you can also find a Jain food over there. And I'm a die-hard fan of this sweets, and I must say the variety of sweet dishes they are offering is awesome. And I would highly recommend this restaurant, and any Indian or any travelers who is visiting Abu Dhabi should visit this restaurant, Lal Killa. Great.
Thank you, Pooja.
There's still so much more to explore in this city of dreams, so let's meet again in the next part of this journey. Till then, bye.
You are watching Travel World Online.